This tutorial is about audio syncing from two different sources. I am set up here with my Canon 2000D that was gifted to me for doing a video job. The only problem with this camera is that it does not allow an external microphone. I don't have good quality microphone. The way I get a good quality sound is to record with both the camera and my cell phone with a lapel microphone attached for better sound quality. So let me walk you through the simple steps when recording, and then we'll take a look at things on Filmora 10 to sync everything up. When you are ready to start recording, turn on both camera and your other source for the audio. Of course, you want to double check that both are recording, both audio and sound. The devices are on, so give it a few moments of silence before you start talking. Prepare yourself to speak, and then give a loud clap. Another moment or two of silence, and then begin talking. It might sound kind of silly, but now let's go on to Filmora 10 and import the two videos. If you like the video, give me a like and subscribe so you can get more information as we go on. Now we have Filmora open, and we need to import the two videos into our project. I've went ahead and labeled one for audio and one for video. The video will be on an upper track, match to media, and the audio will go below it. Okay, so now we have the video we want to see and then the audio at the very bottom. So don't worry about this project because the top clip will hide the bottom clip. We won't even see the bottom clip. So let's start with the top. We got to start by finding our clap marks. We're going to use sight and sound. We need to highlight the bottom clip, right click, and mute the bottom clip. We only want to hear one video at a time. So you could probably pull your playhead here, get an idea. Just right click, adjust my track height to big. That way I get a real good look at my audio timeline. Okay? Could probably bring this playhead here to about where you think your first clap is going to be. You can see I took a little time to sit down. I'm talking to my wife here. Okay, there was the clap. Now, spread your timeline so you can see where your clap is. You want to make darn sure you're exactly there. Yep, that's the clap. So get the timeline spread. I put the playhead just to the left, and I use this, or the arrow key on the computer. I get it exactly on that wave. Highlight it, clip it, and cut the beginning. Okay, so that's brought the first one back. Now let's lock this one. We want to mute it first. Mute. Now lock it, and we don't want to see it because we're going to work on the bottom one. Let's right click, unmute it. Here again, we pull this around. I'm sitting down. Got this timeline spread out real big. Let's go ahead and right click and adjust this track height also. Boy, there we go. There was that clap. Let's right click this again. I don't think, yeah, it's big. Okay, now we spread this out. Exact same thing. Okay, that is the clap. Double check it, make sure it's the clap. Put the time head to the left. Blah, 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 blah. I think we went one too many. Right there. Highlight it, clip, and delete the beginning. All right, let's see what we have here. Let's unlock this. Now if you look, we have the top audio muted and the bottom audio playing. The top video will cover the bottom video. So we've rendered let's go ahead and check it out. This tutorial is about audio syncing from two different sources. I am set up here with my Canon 2000D that was gifted to me for doing a video job. The only problem with this camera... Looks pretty good, huh? Okay, so we've synced our two videos. However, we still need to do some more editing on the video, but at this point we do not want to do any more editing. We've got the sound lined up perfect, but if we start messing around with this, the two videos might get spread apart. So what we need to do at this point is export. Okay, so you want to export the videos, but what if you have more clips in your project? Instead of doing them all separate, I figured out a way to add another clip in here and sync it also. So go to the end of your clip, pick a sample color. Let's pick a bright one, a red, and pull one down on each timeline. Now the trick here is we want to get these the exact right cutoff point. So what I'm going to do, clip and cut them, push down your control button, highlight each one, do a clip, and then put them in the trash can. What that has done is created another start point that is the exact same. At this point I want to repeat again. I'm about to add footage from the top. It's going to be the same footage of this. This is not part of the regular process of syncing two videos. I'm doing this to pretend I'm adding more videos that I just don't have right now. So don't be confused. So bring down your project media and do the exact same thing. Okay, so we're going to mute the bottom, lock the bottom. We don't even want to see it. Go to the top one. The timeline is already spread. Let's look for that first clap. Okay, spread it out. We do this a little quicker since we've already gone through the process. I've got to apologize. I've got a bad habit of clearing my throat before my clap. There it is. Okay. Let's spread this nice and wide. Get the playhead right here. One more. There we go. It's highlighted. We do a cut and a trash can. How about if we could do a cut and delete the first part of that clip? So let's hide this one and mute it. So let's mute this top one. Lock it and hide it. This one we can unlock and unhide and unmute. And let's look for the clap here. I think it's easier to do that. So not only can we hear, we can see. Okay, there is the clap. So let's spread this open. Wide open. Is this a clap here? It's always a good thing to listen and look. Okay, that's the clap. Bring this wider. Da, 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 da. Right there. Okay. It's highlighted. We clip it, highlight the beginning, and trash can. So now we've got two more videos that are lined up. Okay. Here again, we don't want to do anything else other than test this out. So we're going to render, and then we're going to test, make sure this one's okay. This tutorial is about audio syncing from two different sources. Okay, it lined up fine. Now we export the video. Go ahead and name it. Tell it where to go. And I've got the right place. Check your settings. I'm going to just do a good and export. Okay guys, our project has been exported and we closed that. What we want to do is start a new project. And just click that. Okay, blank project. Let's import the video we just made. Bring it down into the timeline. Match to media. Okay, take a look at this. We've got one video and the new audio attached. Now we are free to edit. And first of all, let's green screen this guy in here. Get a quick lesson on green screening. We only want the green showing. Click OK. Bring down a sample color. Misty. Whoops. Let's cancel that. When you're green screening, you need your project on the top and your color at the bottom. Drag this out. And let's close this all up. Take our color and bring it all the way to the back. Highlight your clip, hit the green screen button, eyedropper, clip on the green screen, and there we go. Okay. Now we can see me. Now we're ready to edit some more. Now, of course, there's the clap, and then we've got to be able to edit the beginning where we start talking. Okay, so we're going to cut that out. Flip it. This tutorial is about audio. Okay, so if you had one clip, you'd hit the end button to get to the end to clip the back end, but we're just going to see where we're at here. The video, give me a like and subscribe so you can get more information as we go on. Boom. Okay, highlight your video, cut it. Now we don't want to hit it, delete yet because we're cutting in the middle. We look for our red. Go ahead and push play. There we go, right there. Clip, highlight this, and delete it. Okay, so what we've done, we've married these two clips together. And then, of course, we go to the end. Find out where we're at. If you like the video, give me a like and subscribe so you can get more information as we go on. Okay. Clip this one. Bottom one. Clip. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. And do all the editing you want to do. They're married together. And we're good to go. Just export your project. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial on syncing your video to a separate audio source. I have a link in the description that lets you try Filmora 10 for free. It will be a fully functional program where you can give it a test drive. However, when you do export your finished project, the video will have a watermark on it. If you like Filmora 10 after trying it out, you can purchase it at a reasonable price at this time. Keep in mind that if you do purchase Filmora, I will receive a commission from the sale. Thanks and happy editing.